Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your cloud account is active and your sync client is running. Sign in now if required, and open the provider's app from the menu bar or system tray so you can view status indicators. Once done, glance at connection and sync icons to verify online status and recent activity. These icons tell you if files are uploading, paused, or errored. Make sure your laptop has a reliable internet connection and sufficient battery before proceeding. Now examine the cloud folder in your File Explorer so you can compare local and cloud copies. Navigate to the provider's dashboard to see total storage used, recent uploads, and largest files. This helps you understand space hogs. Once you open a suspect file, check its size and last modified time to confirm the correct version. If the client shows syncing, wait until it finishes. If paused or errored, note the error message so you can take corrective steps next. Finish by forcing a manual sync or refreshing the cloud app so changes propagate immediately. This ensures local edits reach the cloud. If storage is tight, free space by deleting cache files, emptying the recycle bin, or removing large unneeded files, then verify the storage meter updates. If things still fail, restart the cloud client and re-log in to refresh credentials, and make sure folder permissions allow syncing. If an error code appears, note it and use that code when seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.